Hello and welcome to another update video about STX. It's a coin that I cover from time to time. It's actually not too bad, that chart. It's a decent looking chart, at least of the December lows, because we have a possible 5-wave move to the upside. What I don't like about this chart is how deep that A wave went. So anyway, wave 1 to the upside possibly in a 5-wave move, then an A wave to the downside, an overshooting B wave, and if I remember correctly, we count it as an overshooting B wave, first of all, because we can count 3 waves, A, B, C, and then also because it did not exceed, or at least not break or sustain above the 1.38 retracement of the A wave. That is typically the theoretical maximum of an overshooting B wave. They can go higher, especially in crypto. In a very volatile market, overshooting B waves can go higher. Here in this case, the 1.38 fib retracement was at 125, and price didn't really break above it, as you can see here. Yeah, so everything, when price went above that level, you just see the wicks. It couldn't get above it, so I can count it without feeling bad about it as an overshooting B wave, and the move down as a C wave. The C wave I'm looking at as an ending diagonal with a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3 done. Yeah, and now this is the question. So this is the question. Certainly we have enough waves to the downside to complete this entire thing complete. It hit the golden ratio, which is one of the levels I highlighted in previous videos, and as one of the few coins at the moment in this current correction, STX actually left the larger yellow trend reversal area already to the upside. But now time will tell if this is something sustainable. We looked at it earlier today in the channel membership. We said, okay, you know, possibly a 5-wave move to the upside. It's a little too early to really confirm it. It's a bit of an ugly one, but it's okay. Yeah, it's certainly a reaction to the golden ratio, and then we had a 28% upside move of the 7th of June, which is quite significant actually. Then a correction hitting this support area, or at least not breaking below it. That support is 55.9 cents. So what that means is, if this really was a wave 1, then relevant support for higher is now 55.9 cents. The 78.6 retracement, if it breaks below it, it wouldn't necessarily be bearish. It would just mean that the overall correction which started here in March, that this overall correction is just simply not finished yet. What I like about this chart at the moment is that the momentum reduced. Okay, downside momentum seems to reduce, which is good, and also we can see a bullish divergence. Let me just, not on the 4-hour, but let me, there should be one. Let me just double check that. Maybe I'm wrong. Sometimes you think there is one and there isn't. Let's see. No, there is no bullish divergence. Okay. Sometimes it seems like when you see it slow down, yeah, and then it makes that one more low, that's normally needed to create a bullish divergence. Well, there is one on the MACD. MACD line going higher and higher while the price is going lower and lower. The RSI, however, is not producing here a bullish divergence. Okay, so yeah, I mean, volume is picking up as well a little bit. You can see that on the daily chart. So this is certainly one to observe now if it has bottomed in this correction. Of course, a little too early to confirm. If we now break above the last high at 67.8 cents, then we have additional signals that the price might have bottomed here in wave 2 on the 6th, it's actually the 6th or 7th of June. And what would be the target for the third wave? Well, okay, so assuming that low which was produced today, assuming this is the low, which I think would be a bit too shallow, but it's okay, then I can measure a target for the third wave, and we talk here about the 1.618 extension, 83.1 cents. That's what it would need to reach next to give us further confidence in the idea that STX might have bottomed. Now, I'm not telling you at this stage it has, but it's certainly something to observe. One of the few coins where we actually see some positive momentum start here, and where actually the volume picked up as well. So yeah, let's observe it. But overall, the entire market is still very much suffering. So just it's not, you know, it's not a very clear 3-wave move. So it could be a 5-wave move That's why I think it's worth observing it. And also we had enough waves to the downside that we could count the correction complete. Okay, that's my update about stacks. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.